It's so hot.
It's not that hot in here.
I feel fine.
Oh my God, you guys, I'm burning up.
Why are you sweating so much?
Cause it's freaking hot in here.
How can the temperature be that much different? You're only 5 feet away.
It's not that hot in here.
That's it. Turn the AC on.
What?
No.
Are you kidding me?
No, come on. We're not going to be able to hear the game.
Pay your bills.
Timing in the rhythm of the passing game.
2nd and 8. Going deep for Dez.
That was a great pass.
What?
So that was a great pass.
What's he saying?
Great pass.
I can't hear you.
How can you not hear me? I'm 5 feet away.
What?
That's it. I'm turning off the air. Move.
I think it's one of the things that we'll see Tony Romo do a lot of this season. Free snap.
No.
Have one-on-one.
Later in the game, Will Sutton and Nico Ferguson, who are the second and third rounds.
All right, fine. You left me no choice.
On third and long, pressured, and it's intercepted. Monday, the safety who last season with the Giants comes up with the interception. That's the new signing.
He's sweating on the couch.
I know.
Only 3 sacks a year ago.
Damn it. Just got that pillow.
The league in hurries.
He's new?
Hurries in terms of how he graded out. Look at him, beats a double team. To see the chip blocked by the tight end, beats them both. Determination.
Okay, fine. I'm turning the air on.
Disrupting the timing and the rhythm of
It's
the
getting pretty hot in here.
Good start to the game for the Bears defense.
What?
Burn that pillow.
What?
Pillow!
What?
I was driving this morning and sat in traffic.